Tired of spending too much time slicing and dicing in the kitchen? Here are the 5 best mandolin slicers I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Ukitop 8-Blade Chopper. The Ukitop 8-Blade all-in-one vegetable chopper caught my attention with its affordable price tag of just $16.98. The promise of effortless slicing, dicing, and chopping is definitely appealing for anyone who hates spending time prepping meals. If you want a time saver in the kitchen, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This chopper comes with 8 different blades, so whether you're chopping onions for a salsa or dicing cucumbers for a salad, it handles it all with ease. The 17L container keeps everything neat, meaning you won't have to clean up a messy counter after cooking. Plus, the non-slip rubber base ensures stability while you chop. It's made from BPA-free plastic and sharp stainless steel, which means you're getting a sturdy and safe tool for your kitchen. With over 20,000 units sold just this month, it's clear that many are finding it useful. Now, some people complained that the blades can be a bit tricky to swap out, especially if you're in a hurry. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. If you're someone who loves to cook but gets frustrated with cleanup, this is still a good choice. This is perfect for you if you're a busy home cook looking for a quick way to prep vegetables. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional knife and board method. Honestly, at this price, it's a no-brainer if you want to save time in the kitchen. Now, if the blade swapping issue bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of use. Product number 2, the Mueller Original Pro Chopper, priced at $26.99. This little gadget has been trusted since 2013, promising to simplify your meal prep tasks significantly. If you want reliable kitchen performance without the fuss, this one deserves your attention. This mandolin features 8 blades for slicing, dicing, and even grating, making it incredibly versatile. You can chop tomatoes for salsa or shred cabbage for coleslaw in seconds, which is fantastic if you have a busy lifestyle. The food container helps keep your workspace tidy, and the food holder prevents your fingers from slipping while cutting. Additionally, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. With over 10,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many people trust this product for their kitchen needs. However, some users mentioned that the food holder can be a bit flimsy and not secure enough. Here's the thing, while that can be a concern, as long as you're careful, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just be mindful when slicing small items. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, professional-grade tool to make meal prep easier. Skip this if you're not a fan of mandolins and prefer traditional methods. For what you get, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about cooking. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a compact design. Product number 3, the Mueller Vegetable Chopper. The Mueller Vegetable Chopper is another great option. Its sleek design and efficient functionality caught my eye. If you want a reliable chopper without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. This model combines the functionality of a mandolin with that of a chopper and cheese grater. It incorporates multiple blade options to handle a variety of tasks, from slicing to grating. This versatility means you can prepare a whole meal without needing multiple tools. Plus, it's compact enough to store easily. With 8,000 units sold recently, it seems many are enjoying its practicality. However, some users mention that it can be a bit challenging to clean due to its multiple parts. Here's the deal. While it might take a little extra time, the quality of cuts you get is often worth that effort, especially if you're preparing meals for the week. This is perfect for you if you want a compact tool that can do it all without cluttering your kitchen. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's purely a slicer. Considering its price and functionality, it's a value-packed option. Now, if you're looking for something more specialized, the next product should catch your attention. Product number 4, OXO Good Grips Handheld Slicer. The OXO Good Grips Handheld Mandolin Slicer, priced at $18.99. What caught my attention is its adjustable design, making it easy to use for various cuts. If you want something that's straightforward and user-friendly, this could be just what you need. This handheld slicer is adjustable, allowing you to create different thicknesses with ease. It's particularly useful for those who only slice occasionally and don't want a full-size mandolin taking up counter space. The non-slip grip ensures safe handling, which is crucial when you're working with sharp blades. With over 6,000 sold this month, it's gaining traction among casual cooks looking for convenience. However, some users have pointed out that it can feel a bit unstable with larger vegetables. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and use smaller items, you'll find it works just fine. It's a great option for quick tasks. This is perfect for you if you're someone who needs a slicer but doesn't want to deal with a complicated setup. Skip this one if you plan to slice a lot of large items. For the price, it's a handy tool to keep in your kitchen. Now, if you're serious about meal prep and want more options, the final product on my list will certainly impress you. Product number 5, Mueller Pro Series 12-Blade Slicer. We have the Mueller Pro Series all-in-one, priced at $39.99. This one really impressed me with its 12 diverse blades and multifunctional capabilities. If you want the ultimate kitchen tool to tackle various slicing tasks, this is a must-see. This mandolin not only slices but also dices, juliennes, and spiralizes, giving you maximum flexibility in your meal prep. The 3-blade options for spiralizing make it perfect for creating colorful veggie pastas or beautiful garnishes. It's made from high-quality stainless steel and BPA-free materials, ensuring durability and safety. It's no wonder it's sold over 4,000 units recently. People are loving how versatile it is. On the downside, some folks mentioned that it takes a bit of space to store due to its multiple components. But honestly, if you're serious about cooking, having a tool that can do so much is absolutely worth it. Just find a place in your kitchen for it. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with different dishes and need a reliable, multifunctional tool. Skip this if you have very limited kitchen space. For the range of features you get, it's a great value for anyone passionate about cooking. Now let's wrap up and compare these fantastic options. We've covered the Ukidap 8-blade chopper, the Mueller Original Pro chopper, the Mueller Vegetable chopper, the OXO Good Grips handheld slicer, and the Mueller Pro Series 12-blade slicer. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Mueller Pro Series because it offers incredible versatility for serious cooks. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the OXO handheld if you plan on slicing larger vegetables regularly, as it might not be the best fit for that.